welcome to a new video on this channel, and today I will be going to Cache Creek Casino to look at the fireworks, and I'm about to get dressed, so let's get on to it. So now I'm going to be putting on these shoes. Okay, now that I put on my shoes, my mom's gonna be doing my hair. So let's get on to it. So my mom just got done doing my hair, and this is what it looks like. So I'll see you guys when I'm in the car. So we're in the car and we're heading on our way to Cache Creek Casino. I'll see you guys when we get there. Hey guys, so we're at the spot where we're gonna watch the fireworks, and while we're waiting for the fireworks to start, we are eating a snack. So this is what I brought to pass time. So this is my cute goat tie stuffed animal. It's very, very soft. I brought earphones if I want to hear music out loud because there's a bunch of people here. And I brought Cheetos. A water. Lotion. So if the firework lands on me and my skin gets all cracky, lotion. And in my little pocket, I got another tie animal. It's very, very soft as well, and I got this from school, and its name is Seymour. And this one, her name is Gabby. And I'm not making it up, it actually says it here. Gabby. Okay, I got my charger, if my phone gets discharged. And candy. If my eyebrows get messy. And last, but not, oh wait, never mind. There's still two more things. Lipstick. I found this at the outside market. It's a but we didn't find the necklace. We just found it on the floor. That's all I brought. Oh wait, never mind. There's another thing. Can't get it out. Okay, so this lotion is not good for your face because it has perfume. So I brought a lotion that is good for your face and that doesn't have perfume. And I have other things in my. I have candy, an eraser for some reason, a bracelet. The other one, a whiteboard eraser for some reason, and that's it. I'm just eating a snack, hot Cheetos, while we're waiting for the fireworks. So yeah, and drink water because the hot Cheetos are kind of spicy. Not really, but kind. Okay. So yeah. And it's already dark. And the sky over there, it was like galaxy, but not anymore. It's now like dark blue. So yeah. So they just turned off the lights and they're about to start the fireworks and announce that they're gonna start.
And it's dark.
Okay. So they're gonna announce and
Le van a pegar un cuetazo ahorita.
this is my light. Someone gave it to me. Ah! Light from a car.
What was that?
Yeah. Should we record in Flash?
No.
So, yeah. I hope they announce soon. Bigger ring and okay, so my brother put lights into my hair, and now I look like Harley Quinn.
I'ma push you up like a ship.